I'm Todd Donnell. I'm the Eastern Regional Sales Manager for SMH Group, which is Atlas Americas and Mantsinen Americas. We're here this morning in the Port of Baltimore at Ball Term. We are getting ready to transload this Mantsinen 140R behind us off of the ocean-going vessel onto a waiting barge on the side of the ship. This machine was manufactured in the upper eastern part of Finland. Then we had it fully assembled, heavy lifted onto the ship and brought over as a complete unit so that it could go to work fairly easy. As soon as it gets down onto the barge, they will lash it down and it will start making the slow journey back up the East Coast to Groton, Connecticut. And it will be dredging out the New London Harbor. They will install Topcon on this particular unit, which is a GPS system that allows the operator to know exactly where he is in the harbor and what his depth and material is coming up. So just with the Mantsinen product, normally we are in an operation where you're doing material handling, whether it be scrap, bulk, containers, logging, what have you. But this is unique in that this is one of the first times we've ever done a dredging operation with this particular machine. And so the boom and stick combination and the weight of this machine and the abilities that it can do allows us to do what they need up in New London Harbor. So what Topcon is going to do is install their sensors and their geogrid on this machine, and he will have a separate camera installed inside the cab that he can view at all times while he is in operation. Part of the thing with the Mantsinen is the harbor cab that is on there. It's a very large cab, especially for operator comfort. We have quite a number of these working in the States now, and it has become a staple with what we offer as harbor machines because you actually have the ability to have a trainer in the cab with an operator. And just the speed and operation, actual unit is actually equipped with a Volvo Penta engine, and what we've discovered is the fuel efficiency of those engines has just been incredible. The 140 is becoming a very popular size class, especially in the port operations. And this one being one of the initial 140s coming to the States, we're going to be looking at this particular unit to bring customers to see. With its size class and its versatility, it is just becoming a primary size in the larger end of material handlers that we're able to offer. Mohawk has been around for a lot of years. They are a big player up in the New England market, and they do projects all up and down the eastern seaboard. We are actually going to one of their primary facilities, which is very near the Navy subbase. It's a very high-profile project. So our group and Mantsinen, Finland will be watching and monitoring this unit constantly. And the company themselves have been fantastic to deal with. So we are very excited to have this machine in the States. The Mantsinen folks really care about the customers. Everything they do is customer-oriented, and it's very nice to be part of that type of a group.